Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This time I'm going to be looking at the Mustang differences between the facelift and the pre-facelift. Let's go. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn those notifications on. And if you do like this video, give me the thumbs up. And don't forget to follow me on Fun to Drive Cars. I'll put up the link down there for sneak peeks on videos that are coming up. Let's go. So the pre-facelift Mustang, which is this one here, was introduced into the UK in 2015. It was the first time that we over here in the UK could get the right-hand drive version of this amazing vehicle. Around 2018, they did the facelift, which is a blue one here, and they changed various features on the car. In this video, we're going to look at those changes. So starting at the front, we can see that the new Mustang has these fully LED headlights. So moving further down on the lighting, we can now see that the indicator and the fog light have been combined into one, and the round fog light that was down here has now been removed. This is also the side light under here, which is a little white light, as well as the amber LED for the indicator. So the next change is to the bonnet or the hood, with these vents that have now been incorporated into the bonnet, whereas the pre-facelift just had a smooth bonnet all the way back to the windscreen. So looking at the bonnet, we can see that the engine has changed. This is one of the major differences between the two cars, as the new car has a totally reworked engine which now delivers 440 brake horsepower, up from the previous 410 brake horsepower. This also comes with an optional new 10-speed automatic gearbox, which is quicker 0 to 60 than the manual. In this case, takes this car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. So I guess the 0 to 60 would be about 4.2 seconds. We'll be testing that in a future video, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. Looking down the side of the car, there is very little difference between the facelift and the pre-facelift. Let's take a look at the difference here at the back of the car. So these rear lights have got now more of an angled design than they had on the previous car. And again, they still retain the three lights, which is the signature of a Mustang. The panel between the lights now has this seam going down the middle, which just gives a bit nicer look to the old flat panel. Next, we move down to the exhaust. The new V8 comes with quad exhaust with active valves, which allow 4 different sounds: quiet, normal, sport and track. You can even set up a quiet start mode where you enter the hours of the day you want it to start up quietly. Good for the neighbours. You can probably just make out inside here the valve. So the steering wheel stays relatively the same, but some of the buttons have just been swapped around and there's been one added, and that's this pony here. This allows you to alter settings for your active exhaust, etc. up on the dashboard. Also, if you opt for the heated and cooled seats, you also now get a nice heated steering wheel. The dashboard has now changed to a 12-inch fully digital one, and using the pony button, you can change the layout style to suit what you like. Ford have also now added extra new safety features such as pre-collision assist, pedestrian detection, distance alert, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist and driver alert system. The rest of the interior stays just about the same, apart from some extra stitching that's been added here in the centre console. And lastly, just to complete the picture, Ford have redesigned the key fob for the car. So there we go, that's the main differences between the facelift and the pre-facelift Mustang in 2021. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me the thumbs up if you did like this video. Till the next time, stay safe.